All right, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a tool that you probably use every single day, but might not fully appreciate. We're talking about Excel, and specifically its role in data analysis. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but it really isn't just a basic spreadsheet application. It is literally the most widely used data tool in the entire world. Why? Well, because it lets you store, clean, calculate, visualize, and share your data, absolutely all in one place. And honestly, here is the absolute best part. The biggest relief for anyone wanting to dive into data analysis: zero coding required. Seriously, you do not need to be a software engineer to start transforming raw information into actionable insights today. So, how does it actually work? We can basically break this whole data lifecycle down into four really distinct stages: store and clean, calculate, visualize, and automate.
Let's kick things off with phase one, bringing order out of absolute chaos.
Look, if you've ever opened a raw CSV file, you know the shared trauma here. Datasets usually enter the system as a total mess. We're talking full of duplicates, weird errors, and frankly, just chaos. Analysts rely on Excel's foundational tools to wipe out those duplicates, fix those glaring errors, and standardize that raw information into neat, manageable tables. It's an absolute game changer.
Once that's sorted, we move right into phase two, which I like to call the engine room.
This is where the real heavy lifting happens. Once your data is clean, you have this vast array of formulas at your disposal to build out complex financial models and future forecasts. And if you need to summarize massive data sets, tools like pivot tables can effortlessly pull top-level insights out of literally thousands of rows in mere seconds. All right, moving on to phase three, the showpiece and, well, the future. Because here's the thing, having brilliant insights is great, but they have to be digestible. You can't just hand someone a giant grid of numbers, right? Excel has this incredibly powerful ability to translate complex numerical aggregations into crystal clear charts and dynamic dashboards. You are handing them a visual story that they can instantly comprehend at a glance. Now, what about all that tedious, repetitive stuff? Nobody wants to do that. And analysts actually save countless hours every single week by automating those workflows. With built-in tools like macros, Power Query, and Office scripts, you just set up a process once, and you let the application do the heavy lifting for you automatically going forward. But wait, it gets crazier. The true future of this tool lies in advanced analytics. We are way past basic math now. We're talking deep statistics, complex regressions, and, get this, cutting-edge tech like Python and artificial intelligence are now built directly into the application itself. No extra software needed. So we've seen how it cleans, calculates, visualizes, and automates, entirely without coding. But now, with Python and AI literally built right in, we really have to ask, is Excel the only data tool you'll ever actually need? It's a pretty fascinating question about the undeniable dominance of this everyday software, and I highly encourage you to go explore what it can do for your own data.